Hey everyone, this is Jackie from Share Reviews, and I hope that you're having a terrific day. Today's video is going to be another short one, and it's going to touch on just two subjects. Now, if you follow my channel, you know that I have a review video about Sqribble, which is an ebook creator. Now, I use Sqribble almost every day, and as you already know, I love it. But I get a lot of questions about it and the quality of the ebook that it actually produces. So I created a free ebook for you in Sqribble. This is a great way for you to be able to see the quality for yourself. And if you'd like to see an over-my-shoulder look at Sqribble from inside the software, leave me a comment about it. I'll put one together for you. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is the content of this ebook that I created. If you have any interest in affiliate marketing, but you don't know where to begin, you're a complete beginner, the ebook that I created is a beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. It's full of information about the different aspects of affiliate marketing, from what is affiliate marketing to tips and tricks, different platforms, promoting products, and even what to look for in affiliate marketing courses. So the ebook has a little bit of everything. It is a beginner's guide, but everyone's welcome to a copy. So how do you get this free ebook? Well, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description below. It's very simple. All you have to do is fill in the information. I'll email it to you. And again, it is completely free. If you don't get my email, make sure that you check your spam or your junk folder, or it might also end up in your social folder on Gmail or in the other folder in Hotmail or Outlook. All right, so here's where we pause for the cause. If you found this content to be helpful, please give the video a like, and of course, always subscribe to the channel. And as always, keep dreaming bigger. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you all in the next video.